Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a topic in economics called twin deficit. It is also called double deficit. Twin deficit or double deficit. What is it? Now, when an economy faces both, that is current account deficit as well as fiscal deficit. Now, when an economy faces both, that is current account deficit as well as fiscal deficit, then it is called twin deficit. That is, it will face simultaneously both, that is current account deficit as well as fiscal deficit. Now, I will explain to both the terms what is current account deficit as well as fiscal deficit. Now, in current account deficit, when the export is less than import in value terms, in money, and in fiscal deficit, what happens is that it is also called budgetary deficit or budget deficit. Okay, fiscal deficit is also called budget deficit. Now, in fiscal deficit, the revenue of a country or economy is less than the expenditure, of the economy. Now, what will happen when a country imports more than it exports? Naturally, drain of wealth will happen. Money from the people's hard earning or their pocket will go to another country. Simply, for example, India's import is more than its export by value. We are importing more than its export. Therefore, this is a big problem which India has been facing since its independence, and therefore our per capita income or the economy of India is little less. Not little less, it is much less than what it should have been. Similarly, in case of fiscal deficit, the revenue is less and expenditure is more. What we call in Hindi, amdani athani kharcha rupaya. Or when our income is less and we spend more, certainly we are going to face problem. We will borrow from somewhere. So both these cases, when they occur together, it makes situation worse for an economy, and economy usually falls into a debt trap. And this happened with Sri Lanka. Now, many economists have warned that India must look into its economic functioning so that it avoids a situation like twin deficit. Now, one more thing is very important in this context. Economy and country. Economy and country are not always the same. In India's context, it is both same. For example, India as an economy and India as a country, both are the same. But it is not same in the context of China. China's mainland is a separate entity, whereas Hong Kong is a different economy. Means China's mainland is a different economy as well as Hong Kong is a different economy. Other case can also be taken in respect of China. For example, Taiwan. Many countries do not recognize Taiwan as a country. They recognize it as an economy only. So therefore, it is not always true that a country represents an economy or an economy represents a country as a whole. So please do be careful onto this context, and we will discuss some other topic some time later. This was my first video, I think so. So please do share, like, comment, and give me any feedback if you like to, and I will be very grateful to you. Thank you so much, friends. Take care.